Okay, here's today's tree. It's a pretty small oak, right over the house, over the chimney. Taking a couple out already out of here. It's another teeny oak. Just kind of see over the handrail. Japanese maple right at the base there, and then dogwood right at the base there. Hedges, fence. So it's kind of in between these two fences. I think what I'm going to do, set up a zip line up there, and then zip line out over the fence there. I think this one I might have enough room on, whereas the other ones I didn't. So we'll see how that goes. I'll try and get it grown up. Okay, here we are at the base of the tree, just about to get started. Having my ground man meet me here, so I'm always set up in case he doesn't show and I'm working by myself. Steel core flip line, the Husky 338 XPT. That's light green is going to be my lowering rope. That blue is the static line for zip line over the fence. Poison ivy with the Petzl zigzag to climb. Old climb spurs. Sentinel saddle. And I have this gear bag right here on my saddle with all my zip line runners. So pretty well contained. Here's the tree, or the corner of the house, up over the house, right there. Bunch of ornamentals, another Japanese maple there, and then the fence. And I'm going to try and zip from there out over the fence to there. And then there's another oak I took down. I didn't video that one, how to get it done. And there's another one I took down. That one I did video. Here I am, top of the tree. There's the very top crotch. Cut those off to get some weight. There's my static line going down, and then out that way to zip line all these limbs right here off. Quite a few actually. And then over here. So I'm waiting for my groundman to show up to pull that out there. I think I'll just start taking weight off with my handsaw and throwing it over the fence. Okay, taking this little one off over the roof, couldn't zip line it out, not enough room. So I'm just face cutting it with my chainsaw there, putting my saw away, and then grabbing my hand saw to do the back cut. Just because it's so spindly. So back cutting through, little skinny, spindly, gives me a little bit of a shake, but not too bad. Holding it and lower it down. Then now the ground guy is on the drone, so he's not able to actually lower rope, so I'm just cutting blocks here. I just cut it perfectly flat so it doesn't go anywhere, then I could break it off and throw it up over the fence. The problem, with all those little ornamentals down below, if you drop anything down there, it'll smash them into pieces and make the whole place look like a train wreck. So I really didn't want anything to hit the ground near any of the ornamentals, little camellia bushes, Japanese maple, dogwood. Those trees are more fragile than anything. Once you start breaking little pieces on them, it looks awful down below. So I'm just going slow, taking small pieces, climbing up the next stem over with my climbing line up above me and my flip line, stepping up on that stem right there and gaffing in. The groundman's doing a great job with the drone, except for, wait for it, it's coming. Getting a little too close to the tip of that limb. And he hits the tree right there. So I guess we're both pruned trees. But unbelievably, the drone recovers. So that's pretty incredible that it could actually fly into that branch, into the propellers of the drone. It could kind of fall out of the sky and recover itself. So that's pretty cool. I like this drone more and more. You could see me giving the groundman a hard time here, kind of laughing, joking around like, are you pruning the tree or am I pruning the tree? But if you stick to the end of the video, you'll see me being not the cleverest tool in the shed either. I'm rigging these two right here to get roped down over the house. It's still a little too tight here to zip line them out, but as soon as I get these two down, I'm gonna turn around and speed line the rest of the tree down, move the camera to the ground, and then you could see me here starting to speed line the limbs out. Groundman's doing a great job here, managing the speed line tension and videoing at the same time. If you like the video, hit like and subscribe. Hit the little bell if you want notifications. That's what I love to do tree work on the weekends and bring the logs into the high school wood shop during the week. Black oak, these trees right here don't really have too good wood for milling.
TopSaw YouTube at its finest.
Thanks for watching. If you like, hit like, subscribe. Safety first. Don't be an idiot. Stupid always hurts. Thanks for watching.